How to check CapCut save project. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to check your save project in PC. So now all you have to do, click on this menu at the top left side and then go to back to home page. So from this option, now I want to check where CapCut saved this video for me. This project, why, here is the name of the project. If you don't know the name of the project, click on this three dot and rename the project. After you rename the project, now all you have to do, minimize the CapCut, go to this PC. So open up your C drive. So scroll to down and go to users. Go to user again. So from this option, click on this three dot and then go to option, go to view and then click on this show hidden files and folder. Okay. So from there it will allow you to see this folder app data. So open the app data folder, go to local again and then scroll to down, open CapCut. So go to user data, scroll to down and open project folder. So in this project folder, go to this folder com.editor.draft. So if you open this folder here, if you scroll to down, I can be able now to see my project. Here is the name of the project, YYYY. So here you'll be able to find the project that you save. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.